Hello, this is Tony Heller from RealClimateScience.com. Scott Waldman is a White House reporter focused on climate change at Politico's EE News Updates. Yesterday he tweeted, "The Heartland Institute, a prominent climate denial group, is trying to build out its own network of temperature data sensors so that it can prove NOAA is conspiring to make temperatures appear hotter than they are." That's probably not a very accurate description of what Heartland is trying to do, but regardless, let's take a look at what's actually going on. The United States Historical Climatology Network is by far the best long-term temperature data set in the world. It consists of 1,218 thermometers fairly evenly spaced across the lower 48 states. NOAA publishes several monthly data sets for the United States Historical Climatology Network. This data set is the actual measured thermometer data. And you can see the URL for this file at the bottom of the screen. The measured afternoon temperature data shows the temperatures peaked in 1934 and have dropped off sharply since then. But NOAA doesn't release graphs of the actual measured thermometer data. The temperature data set which the public normally sees is the final adjusted temperatures. NOAA alters the data using a computer model and completely changes the shape of the U.S. temperature graph. The measured temperature data shows 100 years of cooling in the United States, but after NOAA alters the data, then we have 100 years of warming. The NOAA computer model cools past temperatures prior to 2009, and recent temperatures are warmed by as much as 1.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The NOAA computer model creates almost 3 degrees Fahrenheit of warming, which does not actually exist in the thermometer data. NOAA altering the data is not conspiracy theory. It's being done right in front of our faces. They're turning cooling into warming. Scott Waldman thinks this is conspiracy theory. I use different terminology for it. I call it climate fraud. Scott Waldman follows me on Twitter, and hopefully now he will check out the data for himself. Toto's been pulling back the curtain on the climate scam for more than 16 years. You can visit him and his family on the web at realclimatescience.com.